Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. I am Carlame Orver Sosa from BSCS2A. Our topic to discuss for today is all about our assignment, which is to find the all odd numbers in a given array when it comes to their time and space complexity. First is explain the algorithm. Next is describe how that algorithm enumerates all odd value in an array. So our first algorithm is initialization. We begin with an empty list to store our odd numbers. So we initialize to start with an empty list. So this list will be used to store the odd numbers during the iteration. So for example, natay list na array equals open and close brackets. So for example, this is the initialization means nga magbutang ta kani is empty pa lang usa siya. Second is iteration. We go through each element in the array one by one. So in iteration, meaning the algorithm goes through each element of the input array one by one. So for example, this iteration uses for loop. Example, for element and array. And array kabali. Ana. So for this, in the iteration, for element and array, so kato kay isa-isahon niya siya, then kung i-evaluate niya kung kato nga number is odd or even, then if odd siya, kay i-add siya dito sa list of odd numbers. The next algorithm is odd check. So this topic is to check if the number is odd in an array. To check, for each element, we check if it is odd. We do this by using the modulo operator, which is, this is the modulo operator. If the remainder when dividing by 2 is not 0, the number is odd. The next algorithm is appending. Appending means if the number is odd, we add it to our list of odd numbers. So here, if the number is odd, it is automatically add odd numbers to the list. Meaning, if that one element is determined to be odd, it is appended to the previously initialized list of odd numbers. Then last algorithm is about the output, which is the result. Finally, we return the list containing all the odd numbers we found. So here, after sa iteration through all elements in the array, the algorithm concludes by returning the list that contains all the numbers that found during the process. The step-by-step breakdown using an example. So the input array is, for example, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then initialization, so mag-create tao, for example, add numbers equals empty list, pakibali siya. Next, then din siya mag-iterate and check. So, for example, as I mentioned kanina, na sa iteration niya, ina-check every number if it is an odd or an even number nga, ma-add siya sa result. So, the output is the final list of odd numbers is 1, 3, and 5. This is the example code of the pseudocode of those algorithm na na-present ako kanina. So for example, define this code used in the Python language. This is the example usage of this code. So for example, input array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Print odd numbers, so kani dapat ang result. To discuss the time complexity, the big O notation, which is the worst case only. And this, every element in the array needs to be checked. This occurs when the array contains only odd numbers, meaning every number will pass the check and be appended to the list. So, boto kay ganyan na nga. Every number is kailangan siya i-check that if odd siya, i-append siya sa list of odd numbers. But if even siya, i-skip lang siya. Next, the array has a mix of even and odd numbers, but every number still needs to be evaluated. So, the array, if ever 1, 2, 5 siya, so there is a mix of numbers, the even and the odd. The number is still to be evaluated. Complexity shows and explain your computation. So here, for example, ang diri a kay na siya define na siya array. So diri a na siya 1. For every element in array, so na siya n. Every element, n lang siya. Kaya ang daghan siya n kung nila siya kang liya. Dali if element modulo 2 is not equal to 0, so ang kaning element serve as 1. Add numbers that append elements gina-add na kay bala niya siya, mag-add siya og 1. So return odd numbers na siya return nga isa. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4n. Then sa big O, okay, we have 0, 4n. Then 10 to plus 3 is 0, n. So this is a linear siya because the algorithm iterates through the entire array, performing a constant number of operations for each element. Then sa the time taken grows linearly with the size of the array. So, di ba, for element in array is mag-iterate lang siya. So here, then the next number to check if the number is odd or even. So this is the final answer. Thank you.